Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing the front discs and pads on an Opel Corsa D. Wow, now that was tough. Okay, so as you can see, I struggled major with this one. Let's see, can I wedge the calipers back? Doesn't matter on this one, as I'm going taking out the discs as well. Oh. Now let's check and see what we need on the back. I'd say a 19.
Oh my god, everything's rough.
There you go. Well, I'm not sure if you can see anything on the camera. Wow. This does not off. Okay. That's the pads out, and the rotors is, by the looks of it, Torx head. So I'm going to get a Torx now. Okay, so we have two Torx 30s screws. One of them is a bit stripped, as you can see. Okay, it's loose. How is the other one? Okay, loose. Ah, that's one good thing. Now, we'll just check it. Okay, so I have the bracket cleaned up and I have it re-greased, and I'm going to clean up the caliper now. I just want to tighten up the bolts, it's still a bit loose, so it's just resting in. Now, as you can see, it's 13mm again. I'm putting on the spanner. I'm actually videoing the other side because I forgot to show you the caliper back on. So it's a 13mm here and a 13mm here, and just tighten them up. And then that'll be it. Just put the wheel on and away you go. Now folks, that's everything done with the Opel Corsa D. The new discs and pads on the front. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.